Hello friends, welcome back. I'm presenting one more chutney recipe from the South Indian cuisine. Earlier I had made coconut chutney and onion tomato chutney. Today we are going to prepare groundnut chutney. All these chutneys pair well with the South Indian breakfast dishes like idlis, dosas, uttapams, vadas. We all love this breakfast, isn't it? So the more variety of chutneys we have, the more we will enjoy them in variation from time to time. So let's proceed to make peanut chutney. For this chutney, we'll require 1 cup of peanuts or groundnuts, half cup of onion finely chopped, half cup of tomatoes cut into small pieces, 1 lemon-sized tamarind, salt to taste, 1 teaspoon cumin seeds, 3 to 4 tablespoons of oil, and 3 red chillies. And for tempering, we require 1 teaspoon of mustard seeds, few curry leaves, some red chilies broken into pieces, generous pinch of Asafoetida or hing, 1 tablespoon of oil. Now let's start the cooking process. First we are going to fry the peanuts or groundnuts. So heat oil in a pan. Dip in the peanuts when it is hot. Though these peanuts are already roasted and salted, we need to fry them a bit to get a nice golden color. And if you are using raw peanuts, you need to fry them more and then remove the skin by rubbing them with the hands. When you fry them to a nice color, golden color, the taste is very good. You can see now they have become golden brown. You can remove them in a plate. Now in the same oil, add the cumin seeds and reduce the flame. Stir them with a spatula. Now you can add the red chilies. Toss them until they become little crispier. Dip in the onions. Now we are going to stir fry the onions until they become translucent. So keep stirring them from time to time. Now you can add the tomatoes. Here I am also adding the tamarind chunk and salt to taste. Add salt very carefully as these peanuts are already salted. Now this tamarind is seedless, so I am straight away adding a chunk to the pan. But if it has seeds, then you soak it, discard the seeds and add only the pulp. Cover and let it simmer at least for a minute until the tomatoes are cooked. Mash a bit with a spatula. The tamarind also soft and it can be ground easily now. Now add the fried peanuts or groundnuts. Give a good stir to mix everything. Once this is done, switch off the gas and allow it to cool. Once the ingredients are cooled enough, transfer them into the grinding jar. You can add little bit of filtered water and then grind it to a required consistency. Now the chutney is done. This is the perfect texture. We'll remove it into a serving bowl. This chutney is very delicious. It's got a unique taste of roasted peanuts. Now spice level you can adjust to your liking. Now heat 1 tablespoon of oil in a small tadka pan. Add all the ingredients: Asafoetida, mustard seeds, red chillies and curry leaves. Once they crackle, stir them into the chutney. Yeah, the chutney is ready to be served. So friends, make and enjoy this chutney with all your South Indian breakfast dishes. It pairs well with idlis, dosas, uttapams, everything. Sometimes it's good for a change. If you are tired of eating coconut chutney, you can enjoy this peanut chutney. Today I have paired it with ponganalu. In Telugu we call these ponganalu, Hindi they are known as ape, and Tamil they call them paniyaram. This chutney tastes so good with this ponganalu. If you are a new visitor to the channel, please subscribe and also click on the bell icon to get notifications whenever I post a new video. Here are some videos from my collection. Do check them out in case you have missed watching any. Have a nice day.